Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show how to send private message on Facebook Messenger. As you can see, here's my messenger is opened now. Now I'm gonna send a private message to this conversation. So I'm gonna opening this conversation. After that I'm gonna clicking on this I button here, and here you will get this option, go to secret conversation, click on it. And after that, here we can see I'm in now secret conversation, and from this conversation we can send private message to each other. This message will automatically delete after she read this message. That's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.